Have you ever followed God's law but felt your heart was not really in it? In today's gospel, Jesus says something very clear. I did not come to abolish the law, but to fulfill it. He reminds us that sin does not begin with actions. It begins in the heart. Anger can already hurt. Lust already breaks respect. Jesus is not asking for perfect rule followers. He is asking for loving hearts. You know, it is not enough to say, I obey. The real question is, why do I obey? When love is the reason, the law becomes life. Obedience becomes joy. So, follow God, not out of fear, but out of love, because that is the heart of the gospel.